everyone, hope you are doing well. Welcome to NeuronexAI. Today in this video I will explain a bit about machine learning, that what is machine learning and the branches of machine learning, application, etc. So this is just a really important video. You should have to know about the machine, that how it can perform the task and how it can work under the artificial intelligence. Let's get started. First, we will have to know about the machine learning, that what is machine learning. So it is the branch of artificial intelligence, that allows computer to learn from data and improve their performance over time without being explicitly programmed. So this is just the simple definition. I will have to explain it very simply rather than this one. Like if someone asks you that what is machine learning, you can simply say that this is the branch of artificial intelligence which allows computer to learn from data and make a positive prediction or decision without being explicitly programmed for every task. So it's working on the basis of algorithms and learn from data, that how it can perform the different tasks like a human intelligence, and working on the basis of neural network. It's also composed on the deep learning, which help it to complete their work and make a prediction or decisions like a human intelligence system. Then we will here is the simple example. You will understand here that how machine can perform their work. So think about how your email inbox filters out spam messages. Sometimes you receive the message from scammers, so the machine directly understand that the message the email composed on red signs, or red flags, etc., or the scammer link. So machine directly understand that this is this email is sent from the scammers and wanted to hack their system. So it accidentally send that email to the spam folder to know about that this is they wanted to hack your system, and so the machine directly send that email to the spam folder. The system learns from thousands of previous emails labeled as a spam or not. Then the machine can make a prediction that from the previous email, and it prospect by the result of the email match to that email exactly. Then it's directly send this email to the inbox. If not so, the machine directly send the email and change their path and send to the spam folder, which mean that this is sent from the scammers. Sometimes you apply to the university, but the university send messages both to the spam and as well as the inbox, but that's not the wrong way. Sometimes it is a bit confusable, but don't worry about that. The next one is and starts recognizing pattern, like certain words are unknown senders. The person who send you email and writing an unknown sender, so the machine can directly understand that this is from the scammers, because the email composed, the email have no name or and have no domain, sometimes the email consists of @gmail.com. If that email from the side of company, so machine directly understand that company mostly use the specific domain at the last, like @ac.cu, etc. So why it's @gmail.com? Because gmail.com is used by every single person in this world. So it's also mean that this is the scam email and they want to hack their system. So over time, it becomes better at predicting whether a new email is spam or not. This is machine learning detection, learning from data to make smart decision on its own. So hope you understand about that. Sometimes your robot is working in the world largest companies, and some of them is mechanical engineers who's recently working in Tesla company created by Elon Musk. So they just work like a human and help them to perform their task very easily and sharply. So this was the definition and as well as the example. Hope you understand about that. So we have to go next. So this is the most important question, like what's the type of or the branches of machine learning. You should have to know, every single person have to know about the branches of machine learning if they wanted to do their specialization in in machine learning, so they will have to have a bit knowledge about the branches that how machine can perform the different tasks. Okay, so the first one branch is the supervised machine learning, which is we can say or explain it a bit like the branch of machine learning which is learned from labeled data. So the data which is in packet form or or a specific range or a table form, so it can directly learn from that table and make a decision. Okay, so example is predicting house prices based on past data features plus known prices. Okay, so this is just the example. It can learn from the prices which is right in the table and can make a correct prediction like a human intelligence and know and tell you the exact price and as well as the features of the house, that what are the compositions of that house and how much is the price and what are the difference between that houses. Okay, the next one is unsupervised learning, which is actually the model finds pattern in unlabeled data. So this is the opposite to the supervised learning. Supervised learning model can learn from the labeled data, and unsupervised learning can learn from the unlabeled data. I will explain each very deeply with a passage of time, because it has also a lot of branches, like supervised learning composed of many branches as well as unsupervised learning and etc. Okay, here the example of unsupervised learning, grouping customers based on behavior clustering. So it is a bit advanced in the supervised learning. It can make directly and can guess the exact role, that what are the expectations and what are the decision or questions of humans, so it can learn from that in a bit advanced as well than the supervised learning. Now we have another one which is actually semi-supervised learning, half of them exactly, and what it means, uses a small amount of labeled data and a large amount of unlabeled data. So this is the composition of both supervised and unsupervised learning, but in this branch we can use a small amount of labeled data, mean that it is just use a small amount of supervised learning and a large amount of unsupervised learning. Okay, so example is classifying images where only a few are labeled, etc. So exactly it has a great rule and deep learning area as well, which can detect the face or just give you the color, the exact color. For example, if we have a colors and composed, we have a box and composed of 100 of colors, so it can directly pick up if you wanted to pick up the yellow color, and if you wanted to pick up the red color, so it can guess that and will give you the exact color. Okay, the next one is about reinforcement learning, which is also the branch of machine learning and a bit advanceable as well. Here is the model learns by trial and error, truth, rewards and punishments. Okay, so this is actually the challengeable model or the branch which is used if someone wanted to create a robot who teach to students, so they should have to use the reinforcement learning very well, because and someone wanted to create a bot who playing with humans, like some of I saw some videos in which a robot can play football with some footballers like Ronaldo, etc. So actually that robot is created by the help of reinforcement learning, and that's a bit challengeable, okay, as compared to the other trees. Then we have self-supervised learning. This is advanced, okay, this is advanced in the previous ones. So here is what it means: learns from data by generating its own labels from the input itself. So actually at the beginning this branch wasn't mentioned and was not a part of machine learning, but with the passage of time now it's also the part of machine learning. So it means the artificial intelligence is growing rapidly in this era, so they are working on machine learning very sharply, like countries, Japanese, Americans, advanced countries, China, etc., Russia. So they just wanted to get succession and technology as soon as they can. So I believe that this model can replace the human intelligence very soon, as far as I'm concerned. And maybe they develop a bit advanced model rather than this one after some time as well. So that's why I recommend you to learn about artificial intelligence, a bit about artificial intelligence, not that much if you belong to any field. Okay, so example is used in modern artificial intelligence models like ChatGPT and GPT-4. So this is actually used in large language model (LLM), which working on the basis of natural language processing. So this is too much advanced. For example, if you created a robot and install the search engine ChatGPT, so it will know about each and everything else and will give you the exact answer. Even they created such a robot which is 100% intelligence than Einstein, who was a test. Okay, in such an era position. So the next one is about we have to learn about the real life and crucial applications of machine learning, which is really important. That in which area we use machine learning. If someone asks you a question that you know about machine learning, so how you can say that what are the role of machine learning and at which areas we can use it very well. So the first one is healthcare, as I already explained in artificial intelligence applications. So this is also the most important one nowadays. The human will definitely replace the doctor or some those doctors who don't have a specific and much knowledge, they should be replaced by artificial intelligence in the coming era. I believe that. Diseases. So the application is it is used to it is the diseases diagnosis. ML models help detect diseases like cancer, diabetes, or COVID-19 using medical images and reports. So it has a great role and to detect a cancer or specific disease in the body, and also used for COVID-19 in 2019 to predict and store the images of a human body, like COVID-19 virus. They also found the COVID-19 virus in human body by the help of this machine learning, and there was the software which was, I think, found and I wasn't sure, but it was, I think, found in 2019 and specifically developed for the COVID-19 virus to find it in a human body. That what are these things and how we can remove it from the world. So after that, when they predict it in a human body, so they just created a vaccine and mentioned that by the help of this vaccine we can remove the COVID-19 virus from the human bodies and from this world as well. So they did it because of machine learning applications. The next one is about drug discovery. So speeds up the process of discovering and testing new medicines. This it is also a great role in medicine area and pharmacies as well. Those who completed their pharmacy or pharmacy, etc. So they will know about that very well. I'm not sure. And personalized treatment recommends treatment plans based on patient history and data. The doctors are not too much intelligence as you people think. Okay, how they can find the disease and how they can make a prediction, how they can prospect that that a human need this type of medicine or this type of treatment, so they will be fine at a passage of time. So they just get help from the machine applications and find the exact disease in the body. When there were no machines or this type of applications, so how the doctor will find the exact disease in the human body, like cancer, COVID-19, etc., or some other 100 type of diseases in the human body. So it helps doctors very well to find the disease and protect the human from different type of diseases and get a superb help. Okay. So the application which is used in finance area, business and economics, actually this is the fraud detection. It directly detect the scammers who wanted to secure or hack your system and get money from you in illegal way. So it directly tell you this, be careful, this is the scammer message and composed of the red flags or the negative domain, as I already explained. If you receive email from the university or from the company and it composed at the rate of gmail.com, so you should have to know that this is from the scammers, because the university and company use this specific email domain at the last. That's a bit like at the rate of ac.cu, at the rate of edu.ac, something like this. Okay, so be careful about that as well. Okay, sorry, it will help you a lot in the finance area as well to predict the fraud or detect it. Okay, the next one is credit scoring automatically determines loan eligibility based on user data. Some nowadays if we apply to some grant, etc., so the documents are not checked by human. Now it's checked by machines, and it directly tell you if you are eligible or not. If you apply for a visa, so your documents is processed from the system, and it directly guess if the documents is prepared well, so it proceed your documents. If not, so it's sorry, we can't proceed with your applications. Please apply again for the visa and complete your documents. So it's directly it's by the help of machine learning which make prediction, and the human just waiting for the final response, and they are just control the systems. Now the other thing is on the system. Okay, it can directly proceed your documents and find whether it is correct or not. Actually, the last one application is algorithm trading, buys and sells stocks using predictive models. Nowadays, people are doing trading like Fi Network, etc. I don't have much of knowledge about that as well, but those who are doing trading using different type of platforms, they will use it is by the help of machine learning. Okay, so the next one is about e-commerce and marketing, which is actually helpful for this area as well, like product recommendations. Okay, sorry, like product recommendations like in Amazon or Netflix. Nowadays, a lot of million or billions of people doing their business by the help of a large platform using that like Amazon or Netflix. So it's actually working on the basis of machine learning. Customers segmentation targets specific customers based on shopping behavior. Chatbots like the artificial intelligence support you get on shopping sites. So it also helps the businessmen to reach out their legacy to the exact user or to the exact customer by the help of machine learning application, which is installed to the platforms like Amazon or Netflix. The machine can directly understand and guess that. Okay. Next one is natural language processing, which is composed of ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Perplexity.ai. I have already created a video on that as well. You can check it out. Okay. So voice assistants, Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant uses ML to understand and respond. Sometimes we have if we have iPhone mobile phone, and we install the package which is called Siri, and we say hi Siri, so it directly give the answer that hi, how can I help you? So if you say that please can you open the YouTube, okay, and sometimes you say that please can you call like Ali Pakistan, so it directly pick up the number and call to Ali. So this is not a magic, this is the efforts. There is a lot of efforts between this, and the people did too much hard work and created such models which can help you. Okay. The next one is language translation, Google Translate and Deep. Okay, DeepL. I will tell you, as I already explained during the AI course, that sometimes you send a message to your friend on WhatsApp, so it can directly correct your spelling mistake and grammatically as well. So it has also a great role on that. Next one is text summarization and sentiment analysis used in social media and businessman tools. So, business tools. The next one is cybersecurity and intrusion detection identifies unusual access to the systems, so it can understand that who is watching your system. Please protect your system from scammers. Okay, so it means that it is a great rule in cybersecurity area as well. Spam filtering detects and blocks spams or phishing emails, so it directly blocks the spams emails without reaching out to you, and phishing emails as well. At help, we have some softwares which help you to strong your system security. I will create a video on that as well. You can install that software. Okay, that's too much recommended. Because nowadays people use technology in a very wrong way, so that's why. Face recognition used for authentication and survival. Okay, so this is also the application of machine learning which can detect your face and make a prediction. Sometimes you are crossing the airport, so nowadays in I think UAE there is an airport. If you're crossing there, so it will scan your eyes or face, okay, not your finger, and it will be changed with the passage of time. So the next one, okay, that was the end of machine learning course. Hope you learned a lot from that. That was just simple and basics about machine learning. Here's our team. As I already explained during the AI course, if you wanted to learn something from them, he is a PhD scholar, PhD mathematics scholar, and Hong Kong, and visited up to 6 countries. Okay, he recently completed app development from Abdul University, and now he is a app development engineer in Software House, Islamabad, Pakistan. And he traveled up to 15 countries, and now recently studying artificial intelligence in the Education University of Hong Kong. Okay, due to his strength. So if you want to get any help from him, you can, and if you want to get help from this one, you can as well. The next one is thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any question or queries about AI or studying in a project, so feel free to reach out to us by this contact information. Here's +92 310 5494135. This is our WhatsApp number, and this one is the site if you want to visit, so you can. Okay, you can also send message through that site as well. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you learned a lot from it, and please, if someone are interested to learn machine learning and don't have a bit knowledge, those who recently completed their grad 12 and wanted to get admission in artificial intelligence, so they should have to know about what is AI and how it's work, what are the branches of artificial intelligence, etc. Okay, thank you so much, and hope you subscribe our channel to get more information from our side. Thank you so much for watching.